Wow, that's annoying. I've literally been streaming and I clicked that shit twice. Wow, everyone's gonna be laughing. I got the whole crowd here. I can't wait to see y'all's comments. Oh, this is lovely. Good, because I didn't really rant a whole lot in the beginning. That's mad annoying. Dude, I literally clicked start stream about 600 times. I just decided to restart my YouTube thing. That's mad annoying, dude. I've been streaming since 7:30 on my end. That's fucked up. And then I lose them all as soon as I start the stream. That makes sense. Alright, I'm just gonna keep making my list. That's annoying. I was wondering, like, y'all would type too. Y'all would type at the same time as me asking y'all. Great. Alright, let's get through this. I don't want to do Apple anymore on my list until we're a little bit more back up. I'll clear that again. For a good NVIDIA push, I was using the other powers of YouTube to wait. Jesus. See, Andrew, you're the one who threw me off because you said good morning text responses, and I was like, I had just said good morning to y'all. I was like, it'd be cool if y'all could like the video, like the stream and all that, and then y'all kept messaging me, and I was like, okay, maybe they can hear me. We're all good. That's annoying. No, I haven't done Facebook yet, but I definitely will. I really like this line. I'm just gonna mark that. That won't be my break above, but I really do like that line. Man, that might have to be my break above, honestly. This is NVIDIA. If it's gonna run 16, it's gonna need that 3. I think there was some really good news over the night for both of these, AMD and NVIDIA. G 285.75. Oh, I didn't even type below. I was here the whole time, by the way. If you're just not coming back, I was here the whole time. I've actually been streaming since 7:30. I have no clue why. When I click start stream, it decides to buffer, and then I not look. And then people answering me in the live chat doesn't help me either, because I said good morning and people started saying good morning back, so it threw me off. All right, just gonna look past that. Let's go to Facebook. You can see the resilience in that line and that line. And then here's pre-market low. So there's a small consolidation range between yesterday close and extended hours low. And then we have this huge level of resistance right above us on Facebook. So that's going to be our break above. What are some other plays you're looking at? Does a pre-market break have as much hold during pre-market? I mean, no, because you're probably not going to be trading it, so it doesn't have as much hold. But it is very important to note. I mean, you see the resilience in. I mean, right here, this is extended hours and this is extended hours, but there was some consolidation and continuation in between during the actual live trading. A lot of my videos you can go through and you can watch me mark pre-market levels, and they hit pretty well. Yesterday's watch list review, go watch Facebook at the end. It was pretty crazy. Bank of America. I'm going to move my notes over here. Just throw it over here on the left. So you saw SPY was in an uptrend, or AMD was in an uptrend. You got BAC in a widening, in an opening downtrend. So it's great to see. Price level. All right, so here's that. Let me go back to the 5. Let's just stick to our pre-market strat. If it rejects there and stays rejecting, that'd be kind of cool. I'm gonna say break above 22. I like that 22 mark because it's kind of, you know, it's hitting that lower high on yesterday. So if it does break here, it'll most likely come up in at least double top. So there's a good amount of room there to play that. So BAC. Let's just say 21.75. It's a pretty tight range, but I kind of like both lines right there. The resilience and why I put them there is, I really like that. What was another one? Yeah, we're not doing CMG. I hope that was a joke. I hope that was a joke, Devin. That was funny. Apple. I said I probably wasn't going to do Apple. Because I already do most of the S&P. Or at least the heavyweight. Apple would be one of the highest in there, though. Let's just do it. Just do it. Could break below pre-market as well as aftermarket yesterday. Let's go there. I like that on the 5 minute just because it also hits here. Ooh, yeah, we're going with that one, boys. You didn't even see me look left yet. Ooh, okay. Yeah, we're going with that one. I don't even mind that the range is a little wider than I wanted. All right, so Apple's actually looking pretty clean. I'm going to star that one. Above 277.50. Below 274. All right. Any other tickers? We could do any of these. This is what we got so far. Yeah, sorry for the mess up on the stream this morning. You guys could drop a like on the stream, that'd be cool. even though this is technically my like 5th time streaming this morning. Y'all had me to like 30 viewers too, so that was also throwing me off. I was like, okay, they can definitely hear me. They're definitely watching my screen if I got 30 people in here. And y'all stayed in here for a minute, so I was like super sure that y'all were still here. That was kind of funny on my end. Alright, so Roku. That would be my aggressive pre-market levels if I was doing it that way. But I'm going to set aggressive and passive on this one just like we did in the other. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to do passive and aggressive like I did the other list the other day. Here, I'll just leave this right here. And then I'll go over why I chose those lines. Alright. Roku. Above 123.65. Aggressive. Above 125. Passive. Oops. Below 122.15. Alright, so let's go over why I do that. I don't do this every single time, but it is good to note on when you're going through your pre-market levels and you see that you have it in a good tight range. And you're mainly going to see this on Thursdays because of all the reports that come out on Thursdays. All the stalemate. So you want to draw your aggressive levels. That's you drawing tight levels. Then you want to draw your passive levels, loose levels. You want them to be looser. If you're going to play this, you can even enter. I always tell my members and students this. You can enter 50% on the aggressive entry and the other 50% on the passive entry, and you still exit on the same percentages that you would normally focus on. Don't focus on how much money you're up. Focus on how much percentage you're up. Or you can use this as a level to get in and use this as a level to get out, and then use this as a level to re-enter if you have an account. If you're used to exiting and scalping that fast, you can do that too, because these are good scalp levels. You think that's not that big of a room, but that is enough money and options to scalp. Get like 5-10 contracts, run it up, finish it. But yeah, that's why I do it like that. Wish I had more time to go over it more, but I need to finish a few more stocks. But you'll see me do that sometimes. I'm not going to do it every time. And sometimes I'll write a bunch of notes. I'm probably not doing that today. But yeah, different list types every day. Same system. Yo, what's up, Devin? Alright, the stream should be able to hear you now. Yeah, I didn't call you at first because, oh wait, you can't even hear me. Hello?
What up?
My bad. Yeah, you're on stream now. I'm just finishing my list.
LB $10 call might be cool for a year out.
Damn, for real?
Mm-hmm.
I only remember that name because of bar chart, that ticker.
They got hit really bad, I think yesterday and today. But overall,
Tesla's in a pretty good range.
yeah, I'm watching Tesla. Honestly, I'm watching CMG because Kramer kept saying it was going to 1,000 when I have money, so that means it's probably gonna sell off.
Oh, I thought you were messing with me earlier.
No, so and if you look at it, it don't look bad. I know you probably don't want to look at it, but if you look at the
No, I'll go
daily,
look at it. I'm gonna finish this one.
if you look at the daily, it's kind of in a spot to get rejected or push up. Man, so
I put some special notes on Tesla today. All right, CMG. Damn, there's a green line on my chart. It looks like Fibonacci. Oh no, it's a price level. I was gonna say I haven't been on this chart in a minute. Damn, this thing recovered.
mhm.
Damn, imagine buying shares at 415.
Doubled up.
That's crazy.
Literally a month. Imagine buying year out contracts and a month later.
It being
Being
up
up.
like $500. That's crazy. Look at it 3 year.
Definition of buy the dip. Can't call the bottom though.
Yeah, how do you call that? I mean, you could
I
do
mean
what I post.
that green candle, the daily was pretty vicious. That was a pretty bullish turnaround right there.
Yeah, that was a pretty big reversal candle.
Yeah, I mean that was pretty not
Yeah, it's
bad.
crazy though. If you go out to like the weekly or the daily chart and give it 20 years on some charts, with the daily, you can see to the left on like some of the last peaks that was practically the bottom.
Hmm.
I posted on Apple and I think I did Nvidia. So I did two really aggressive stocks and the bottoms were practically like the last peak from like 2017 to 2018. Which is kind of cool. CMG doesn't look bad at all. Oh, someone said let's do Beyond. Oh, I do like Beyond. I don't think I did the other day. Oh yeah, I did. Hell yeah, I did. All these lines. Look at that strong trend. It's like there, and then it's like gets even sharper. Someone said, "Ah, the Kramer effect."
Kramer has an effect on stocks. You can definitely take advantage of it to make some money. That dude pumped beyond like $100 by himself.
I know. I was really happy. I was on the profiting side of that. The beginning of my chat knew the viciousness in my Beyond callouts. Like the first like 50 people knew what was up. I just could not go wrong with that one.
I used to post fake meat on my story like every other day.
Just for fun.
I used to trade the shit out of Beyond.
Oh, I thought you
I
actually
just
meant
called it.
real fake meat.
No, I used to call it fake meat though. I'd be like fake meat paying the bills. It was so stupid.
I always tell people I'm not even vegan, but I'll trade the shit out of Beyond. Above. I like that 91 level I found. Below. Let's just say 50. I gave it a little passive. I gave it 14 more cents just because there's some consolidation right under it. Is there any other tickers in the stream anybody wants me to check out? We can go back to SPY now. I don't think I finished SPY. Yeah, I didn't even finish SPY. So like I said, it gets like that, and then it's like that, and now it's like that. Oops. Not as shallow. I mean, not as sharp. Super sharp. A little less sharp. Add a double top too. So let's recognize that. Is he gonna find support above it though? Yeah, that's a really good line I drew there. Support, resistance, 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 maybe support. So maybe if we get some support here, it goes up. But we did get a little choppy action above it one time before, and we have a wick above it now. So let's see what it does here. Get some price levels going. So that definitely needs to be our break above. I'm glad I waited because I ended up lining up for a better. We'll just end up saying 281. The original was going to be 280.50, but it ran up a little more. So let me delete that. Below, I saw some consolidation right here earlier that I didn't like. Yeah, right here. I don't like that. So let's see what that lines up over here. I can go with that one. It's probably a little aggressive, but SPY is trying to overextend up here. Can almost even do more aggressive if we wanted to. Right there would be better. What would 279 line up at? 279 lines up pretty good too. Volume's dropping off completely right before market open. Alright, so let's go with 279. Just give that extra. Alright, I'm gonna post this in the chats. If there's any other tickers anybody wants to go over, hit me up on the. I could post the video on how I got this toolbar in chat. I'll drop it in wherever, or DM me on Discord, and I'll just give it to you, the video. I don't really have a way of. Here, wait. Let me post this list, and I think I'll just post it in here if I can. This is a very helpful video. Alright, here we go. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. Stream error. That Bueller guy. Alright, cool. 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 Alright. Let's go check out some old swing plays that we need to be looking at. Let's go to daily. Man, McDonald's is getting pretty close to a point where I'm willing to long swing it again, but I would like to see how it does here. I used to love calling this out as a swing. Yeah, y'all are gonna definitely be seeing me call out McDonald's, KO. I'm not really a huge Starbucks fan anymore for swings, but KO and McDonald's are two of my favorites for like long swings. Get like a super far out expiration. Get some time on your side. Therefore, you don't have to worry about IV as hard for the long time. theta doesn't hurt you for a little bit. You have a pretty strong contract for a while. I do like that it decided to do this big candle above this and the gap zone, so we'll see how it does. It kind of needs to get above this before I'm willing to swing it. It might reject today, actually. And what's cool about McDonald's is it doesn't rely on the rest of the market. The market could have gone straight up, and McDonald's would have just cascaded its way back up. Or even worse, market could have just kept, going sideways, and McDonald's still would have probably done this. Just like Tesla, just like Amazon. They're not all following. Here's some KO leaps. That's really smart. I'm in a few. I'm willing to average down. Actually, let's see what KO is doing. Okay, so she's up. I kind of thought she'd be up considering yesterday was so boring and the day before was red. Or because of pre-market. So today should be green for KO, I would think. If I was going off of that psychology. Let's see the 30-minute. Compare them with the daily. Sorry. I'm going to just delete that because it's already fell out of that. I think I was doing that for a stream one day, just drawing a bunch of fun lines or random examples. Here on KO, though. I like that line. That might be my deciding factor line. And here's that McDonald's gap up line, kind of. It's not McDonald's, it's KO, but you just saw me do the same thing on McDonald's. There's a range of consolidation above the pickup. And then you got that gap. Look for a lot of gap fill. If KO stops and finds support on this, you might see me call out long swings. Let's mark a few other lines just in case. Yeah, I like that. Maybe that one. You could honestly be getting into KO now. Not even have to worry about it if you had got like a next year any month contract. A lot of people think that's risky, and then it's like it literally just takes patience. Strong companies like that are pretty fun to do leaps on. Leap contracts. Alright, let me go to the YouTube video. The Discord's in my bio. I don't know. I thought I saw someone ask that. The bio of my YouTube. But we have I said the YouTube because we have a YouTube channel in the Discord chat that has like all these videos in there. But I will gladly drop that in here. That's for the toolbar. That's for this. Nothing too crazy. All right. What's going on in charts and analysis? Somebody drew a house. Awesome. Did J-Nug get... Yep. Hey, Devin.
Yo.
Do you see gold got reverse split?
No.
from $6 to 80.
Puts.
Yeah. Normally when these happen, the downtrend continues.
Is that what you said of a J-Note?
Mhm.
You put it shortly.
That is just so crazy looking. I'm just guessing that's what this is.
Yeah, I had to.
Yep. For 12 different ETFs. That's insane. As a result of these splits, except with respect to the redemption of fractional shares, is outlined below. Shh. They did a one. Oh, wait. They did a 1 for 25, bro. Shh. Oh, wait. That might have been the wrong one. Probably this one. That's kind of cool. Not every day you see that, but you do see it almost every year. You got 10 free 100, yeah. This happened to me with you guys a while back. And then I think in the beginning of me trading, it happened to me on JNUG. Because I traded JNUG when it was at 11, when it was at 1150. I highly remember trading 1150 calls. And then I think looking back 6 months later, in like me in like the beginner stages of me trading, I was looking at it and I was like, holy crap, why is it at 100 something? Then I looked into it and I read it about reverse splits and all that good stuff. This is most likely going to keep bleeding. It might have a small little recovery, but it'll most likely just keep bleeding for now. Reverse splits aren't really the greatest thing in the world, but it is gold, so we'll see. Someone said LVS, Las Vegas Sands. I think Dylan brought this one up to me a while back.
China's switching over to digital currency.
China is?
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Are they allowing one? So I already went to it. You know they wouldn't let that shit happen unless it was on their okay.
Unless they were profiting from it.
Right. It's China's digital currency, as far as I'm concerned.
That's what I was saying about ours. I was like, the United States would never pick up a digital currency unless it was
You know they say they
they're
can't figure out
profiting.
who funded Bitcoin, right? Or started Bitcoin.
That's what they claim.
Dude, what if it was the Fed and that's why they have all this money? Just
I was saying that to Yanni the other day. I was like, what if the government's the one that runs Bitcoin? Like that, they wouldn't want to tell you, and that's why someone probably hasn't told us.
and that's why they would have so much money to just
This was just conspiracy theory, Bueller talking, but yeah.
just conspiracy theory, but like, is it though? Because Bitcoin's one of the only coins we don't know where it comes from. It's the most expensive one.
That is crazy. Oh. When did I draw this range? It's kind of abided by it really well. Oh, I think I was just marking gaps as an example one day. Damn. My Google line's kind of on point. If you're going to day trade this, though, just use those pre-market levels.
Are you staying live for a market?
No, I just was running to 8:30 because I kind of fucked up the beginning of my stream and I felt kind of bad. Because I was sitting here talking for like 15, 20 minutes and people were answering me. It is so awkward for me. Plus, dude, 30 people were in the stream and I wasn't like here on their
I know.
side.
I was there. I said go Trump.
Yeah, and I was like, huh. Maybe
And
they.
then like 20 people left.
You said go, and then 20 people left. Because you said go Trump. It's not even because I was AFK.
Right now, because you were there. They were cool just to hang out.
Then I saw a MAGA hat. I said, nah. Let me take a look at Google. Those are the lines. My bad. I thought someone else sent it too. LVS. I don't know what your plans were for LVS long term. I do remember seeing them on Stash App a long time ago, and they were a decent dividend, but they're probably taking a fat hit on this too. It's coronavirus. Financially, I mean, we saw their chart; they didn't recover much at all. No problem, Peyton. Um, there's also other videos too. There's a like Benzinga, because if you have TOS by TD Ameritrade, you have Benzinga for free. Which is amazing for market news and market updates. Charlie on there is super helpful. Well, if you guys are in the stream, we're only 2 minutes before we cut this stream. Make sure to drop a like on the stream. I really do appreciate everyone being here, even though I kind of messed up the beginning. We still got a good 37 minutes of a stream in, so that's not bad. Normally it's 45 minutes to like an hour. But yeah, look out for all the reports coming out today. Y'all saw that. Or wait, they probably didn't even see the link I had either then.
88% of people hooked up to a ventilator with coronavirus died.
Jesus.
In New York City. So, just saying.
80%?
88% of people that required a ventilator with coronavirus died in New York City. So it seems like the serious cases of coronavirus are more serious.
Are more serious than serious.
Like, yeah, like it seems like if you have a serious case of coronavirus, your chances of dying are very high. Like if you're required to get a ventilator, it's serious.
By the way, guys, y'all can use this URL. This URL is really useful. This is for the economic calendar on Market Watch. So like right now, I can come over here and see what the weekly jobless claims are.
They were like just in line at like 4 million or something.
4.43 million. Their forecast was 4 million. The previous was 5.2 million. We still got a couple other numbers to come up. That was the bigger one. That was loud. Is it really gonna bounce on my trend line? That's crazy. All right, guys. Well, make sure to click the link in my bio if you need a Discord group to join. We have a bunch of shit in there. I'll see you guys on the market. We'll be in voice chat. Thank you guys for being in stream. See you next time.